Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Popcorn Diamonds Stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a treble crochet. So to get started, you are going to chain multiples of 11. Once you have your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to work your first treble crochet, followed by treble crocheting in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Next, you're going to turn your work. You're going to chain 2 and you're going to treble crochet in the next 5 stitches. Then you will work a 5 treble crochet cluster in the next stitch, followed by treble crocheting in the next 5 stitches. Then you'll turn your work, chain 2, and you're going to treble crochet in the next 4 stitches, followed by working a 5 treble crochet cluster. Then we will do a treble crochet in the next stitch, and then we will work another 5 treble crochet cluster. I'm just going to fight with my yarn ball just a little bit. Oh no. Well, I'll have to fix that later. Then we will work 4 treble crochets to the end of the row. Next, we will turn our work. We will chain 2 and we are going to work 5 treble crochets in the next 5 stitches. Then we will do a 5 treble crochet cluster, followed by working 5 treble crochets in the next 5 stitches. Then we will turn our work, chain 2, and we will treble crochet all the way until the end of the row. Next, we will turn our work. We will chain 2 and we will work 2 treble crochets, followed by working a 5 treble crochet cluster, and then we will work 8 treble crochets in the next 8 stitches. Next, we will turn our work. We will chain 2 and we will treble crochet in the next 7 stitches. Then we will work a 5 treble crochet cluster, followed by a treble crochet in the next stitch, and then we will work another 5 treble crochet cluster, and then treble crochet in the next stitch. We will then turn our work, chain 2, and we're going to work 2 treble crochets in the next 2 stitches, followed by a 5 treble crochet cluster, and then we will treble crochet in the next 8 stitches. Then we will turn our work, we will chain 2, and we will treble crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Now the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 2 through 9. And you'll just repeat that until you get the desired size for your project. Now you may have noticed that some of the pop stitches are not facing the right way. So what you want to do is just take your fingers and just pop them into the proper side. So now you have your diamond shape for your work, like so. And there you have it. That is how you do the Popcorn Diamond Stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.